Welcome back to Mama's Cellar, where I have a very simple, very delicious, very old-fashioned and effective cough syrup remedy. Using just 2 ingredients, honey and raw onion. The raw onion has selenium and vitamin C and sulfur compounds, all those things that will help with your cold and your cough. And honey is famous as an antimicrobial, antibacterial, and very soothing for the throat. Cut a large onion into 8s and put it in a jar. Completely cover it with raw honey. Here I'm using crystallized honey, and that's just fine because the honey will suck the water out of the onion and make a syrup, which we will use as a cough syrup. And allow it to sit for several hours or overnight. Then you can strain the syrup into a jar separate, or you can leave the onion in the jar and just put it in the refrigerator and eat it by the spoonful, or even use it to cook with or as a dressing. It's delicious and very beneficial as a cough syrup or as a food.